Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I am filming my Instagram Picks My Project. So you guys really enjoyed the first time that I did this, so I thought it would be fun to do another one. So I gave you guys the option of picking either a handmade card or Happy Mail goodies, and you guys really want to see some Happy Mail goodies, so that's what we're going to be making today. I am using some of the paper cakes collection today to make this project, and what we are making are some little mini folders that can go into pocket letters or other small Happy Mail to hold extra little goodies and stuff, and I think it'll be really cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to trim these papers down and I will be right back. Alright, so I've gone ahead and trimmed off the border around these 8x8 papers. I think these are so pretty. These again are from the Paper Cake Summer Babe collection, and these are two of my favorites. I love the pretty gradient. But actually we need these to be 5x5, so let's go ahead and trim them down to the right size. 5 inches, and then let's see, if I do 5 inches, it's going to cut off a lot of the pink or the blue, and I kind of don't want to do that. So let me trim off a little bit from each side so that we still have the pretty gradient. And I will do that for this one as well. Pretty. Alright, so now that my papers are 5x5, I no longer need the trimmer, but I will need a scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, it's okay. You can, do this project without it. It just makes the folds a lot nicer. Once you have your paper cut to 5x5, you want to place it on your scoring board so that the top of your pattern is at the top and the bottom is at the bottom, and then you want to score at 2.5. And this will create a vertical score line. I'm using some photo paper, so my score line is really nice. And then you want to turn your paper and score at 1.5 inches, and this will create your horizontal score line. And you'll see what I mean by that here in just a second. Alright, so I've got my score lines on there. I'm going to fold it along the vertical score line. It should look something like that. Go ahead and keep it folded in half, and then with some scissors you want to cut from where these two lines cross, but you want to be folded, so you want to cut from here and then just a diagonal. It doesn't have to be a crazy diagonal, you just need it to be at an angle. Something like that. And go ahead and fold up the bottom flap along that horizontal score line that we made. And your folder, you can see, is coming together. It's really cute, right? So let's go ahead and add a little bit of adhesive to the ends right here and here. And then once you fold those back up, you're left with a really cute little folder. So let me walk you guys through that one more time. So with this one, since this one has a lot of pink at the top, I think I want this one to be this way. So this will be the top of my folder, and then this will be actually this right here, if that makes sense. So score at 2.5, and then turn, score at 1.5, like so. Fold along the vertical score line. Again, cut from where these two score lines meet, down at an angle, like that. Go ahead and fold up. And then we'll add some adhesive here again, the outer edge of the flap. Hold it up. There you go, another little folder. So now that the little folders are made, it's time to start decorating them to make them really cute. So I had put up on Instagram the choice between popsicles and hearts, and since it was super even, like almost half and half at the time that I tallied the results or whatever, I'm actually gonna use both because I think it'll be really cute and I love them both, so why not? So I created some little tags. I think these are super cute and will look really fun on the front of these. And I used this punch by EK Tools to punch these out of some 4x6 journaling cards. And again, those journaling cards are from the Paper Cakes collection. So I think I like that one on there. And maybe this way. Yeah, that way is pretty cute. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm gonna use some of this Tombow adhesive to adhere these on the front. That. And like so. So that's step one of the decorating. Now at this point, you guys know I want to add some washi, so that's what I'm going to do. So I had made sure to ask you guys which washi option you wanted. If you wanted the pink or the mint. You guys really wanted the mint, so that's what I'm going to use. And I have them both right here. So let's go ahead and get that going. So I think the flamingos will be really cute on this one. Maybe I'll open these so they lay a little bit flatter. This will just add a little bit of decoration. I know these don't need washi, but it's fun. Okay, you guys also had the option to choose between cupcakes and cotton candy, and again, since it was so split, I figured I could use some of each because I think that'd be really cute. So I have these little dudes right here, and I thought that would be fun to put some on the fronts of the little folders. And lastly, I had given you guys the choice between some sequin hearts and some gold foil stickers, so we're gonna use the gold foil stickers. So let's go ahead and get to decorating. I thought what I could do, let's see which one would look cute on which. These are so stinking adorable. Okay, so maybe those would be good. All right, so let's do those guys. And then what I figured I could do is kind of tuck one of the little word phrases kind of sticking out from behind the little dimensional guy. I think that'd be cute, right? Okay, so let's do that. Maybe we should do some little short ones, like so fun and hey, or dream. I guess dream really wants to come on out to play. So let's do dream and hey, and that will be cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pop these two little guys down. I do have to be kind of careful where I put them because this is photo paper I printed on. Things are not gonna wanna come off as easily. So the stickers are down, and then I'm going to use the Tombow Extreme tabs to adhere the little embellishment pieces. I love these, they're amazing. They're super duper sticky and they're really cool because you can cut them down, which is what I'm going to do. So we'll use one on the back of the little cotton candy guy. You can go like that, super cute. And then let's go ahead and do the little cupcake friend. I also really like how these tabs don't add a lot of dimension, which is good because these little embellishment guys already have quite a bit of dimension. Let's do that. Alright, so there are those, but I feel like they could use a little bit of sparkle, so I have these tiny little gemmies that I love so much. I'm just gonna add, I think just like one, because I think that'll be enough. These are pretty small little folders. I don't feel like they need a ton of decoration. So these are the finished folders. I think they are super cute. You could decorate the inside too if you wanted to, but what to put in here? Well, I've got some washi samples that I wanted to share, and I just wrapped them on these metal tags. I got these from Target a long time ago, and then I used some of this trim that my friend Serena had given me, and this was from my stash this month, so I just put some through the little holes. I thought that'd be really cute. So let's go ahead and pop these in here. They will fit super cutely. like so, and I love the little fringy bit coming out. On the other side, you could tuck in your letter or a little note or some extra stickers or whatever you want. But I used the rest of those 4x6 cards to make some little tags because I thought that'd be a really fun, cute little thing to put in there. So I've got some more here. Then my pen pal can use them, you know, as gift tags or as embellishments or whatever they want. So these are the finished little Happy Mail folders. I think they're super cute. You could definitely tuck them into like a bag flip or hoop mail or something. But what I think is really cool is that they fit perfectly inside of a pocket letter pocket. So what you could do if you wanted to, this is my 15-minute pocket letter challenge. Pocket letter, by the way, if you guys missed this video, it's really fun. I will link it down below. But let's say I didn't have this pocket in here. I could decorate my little file folder thing in such a way that it kind of becomes the card for the pocket. So I think that's really fun. And then the back, you know, would be really pretty too. But if you didn't want to do that and you just wanted to slide it behind a card, you are definitely able to do that as well. They fit really nicely, provided that you don't stuff them too full. See? I think that's really neat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if you want to see more Happy Mail ideas like this. I do have a whole playlist of little DIY Happy Mail goodie things like this, which again I will link down below. But if you guys have ideas or requests for specific things that you'd like to see me do, leave me a comment and tell me, okay? Also, you guys really seem to enjoy the Instagram Picks My Project videos, so if you're not following me on Instagram and you want to be able to participate in voting for future projects, I will leave a link to my Instagram down below as well. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!